This is funny. I'm supposed to be getting ready to go out and I didn't wash my face, do my hair, eat.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
I seen something on TikTok of a hairstyle. It was with a Caucasian woman. So I'm not sure how I'll be successful, especially with Sisterlocks. But I'm gonna try it. So first thing first, I'm gonna wash this off. This is literally just this with some baking soda. And I leave it on my face, make it dry up, whatever. I find that it actually minimizes the pimple blemishes, pimple scarring that I have on my face. So that's why I do it. I don't do it every day. Let me wash this off. That's done. I don't know if you can see my blemishes. Yeah, wearing that mask. Anyways, gotta do what we gotta do right now just to survive. So my hair is looking really dull and dry. Well, as we know, I battle with low porosity hair. We're gonna try to hydrate it and style it up for today. We're gonna do our best. So let's start. I'm gonna add some Rosewater, get that from the grocery store, and a little bit of this oil, and then spray my hair to hydrate it. Shake that up, spray your head. Okay, so the first style was a fail, didn't work. We're trying a second style. That one's really good. Oh God, now I want to get this one really good. Hold on. It's not gonna be really good, but somewhat decent. That's good enough. Wait. See, now I'm being picky for no reason. I don't think this is gonna line up. Oh, okay. So what I'm trying to do is just simply put this in a ponytail. So this is it. They took a hairpin, but they literally put it in the center, just as a, I guess, as a point. Okay, they took a piece of hair. I'm taking it from the top. Should I twist it? Let me see what it looks like twisted. It's probably gonna take me a little longer, but because I'm a little extra, let's see if I twist it, if that. But what I was really looking for is my clips. I'll show you in a second. Whatever these things are called. So basically, after I do that, I'm gonna take it and go over this hairpin. I'm gonna take this for now, just to clip it so it doesn't unravel. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing on the next side. You, let me cater to you. I came off camera because I was trying to figure out if I was going to continue the style. It's not really working out up here, but taking it and just twirling it around to get a roll. Once I get a specific length out, I do that whole palm roll in my hand, right? To finish the roll. Eventually, hopefully it works out. I want to pull it and twist it and hopefully it comes out the way it's supposed to. I don't know what this looks like, but bear with me. So this is another thing I kind of like about the whole Sisterlock and the whole grid. It doesn't necessarily have to just be Sisterlocks. It could be any locks. But I just like how it gives me that I just cornrowing my hair kind of look, you know? So therefore, even though you have Sisterlocks, you can still style it up, play with it, stuff like that. By rolling it, I find it a lot lighter on my head, doesn't give me as much tension. This is the last row for this side. I'm sorry guys, I'm really all over the place, but hopefully you can follow me, and as time goes, I get better. See, right now, I've got some coming this way, some coming this way. The plan is to get them down here. It's supposed to be closer to this hairpin. This was kind of whatless for me. Trial and error, guys, trial and error. What did I do? Can you guys see? Maybe I should put the ponytail up higher. Maybe lift the ponytail to about here. Experiment. This is all experiment. Round 2. So you got the crisscross effect, kind of, sort of. Okay. I think I'm gonna tie it, like I said, under the ponytail. So, was I successful? Let's see. It looks a little lopsided, but you know what? I'm already done. This is bothering me. But anyways, I think I'm just gonna leave the ponytail like this. Let me see what this braid up looks like. It's not bad, it's not great. There's a few hairs that is probably loose, especially the bottom ones. So probably put some hairpins in there. But to be honest with you, I'm not 100% dissatisfied. Again, it looks a little on the lopsided to me, but I think it can go on. So hopefully within time, practice makes perfect, and one day this style will look bomb. Hey guys, so this was the end result. I added some jewels to try to glam it up a little bit. It took longer than expected. It didn't come exactly how I was expecting it, but that's what happens, right? You try, you tweak, you whatever, and whatever happens. You just hope for the best. It doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. So this is, I'm gonna go with it. You know what I mean? Let me see if I can turn around and see. 1 second. Hopefully you guys saw that. I love the fact that majority of us is embracing our natural beauty. It doesn't matter your size, it doesn't matter your stage, it doesn't matter your phase. I mean, locks are all beautiful. Everybody dresses it up differently according to their personality and things like that. So, I mean, you won't know what you like unless you try it. So, with all that being said, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and yeah, till the next one. We'll talk.